How to be poor, a step-by-step guide. Ever wondered how some people stay broke forever? Well, congratulations, today's your lucky day. Because I'm about to teach you the perfect formula for lifelong poverty. Yup, you heard that right. Today, we're not talking about how to be rich. We're talking about how to be poor. Step 1. Never take responsibility. If something goes wrong, blame your parents, your boss, the government, the weather, anyone but yourself. After all, accountability is for people who actually want to improve. Step 2. Avoid learning at all costs. Books? Too boring. Podcasts? Too long. Courses? Waste of money. Instead, spend your time scrolling reels about people who did take responsibility. That's much more entertaining. Step 3. Make excuses your religion. You don't have time. You don't have money. You don't have luck. You don't have support. You don't have energy. Perfect. You have every excuse you need to stay exactly where you are. Step 4. Stay comfortable. Don't take risks. Don't try new things. Because growth happens outside your comfort zone. And we don't want that, do we? Stay right there. In your cozy little bubble of mediocrity. Step 5. Spend like a king, earn like a peasant. Who cares about savings? You only live once, might as well go broke in style. Buy the shoes, the phone, the watch. And then wonder why your wallet is on life support. Step 6. Hang out with complainers. Birds of a feather stay broke together. If your friends gossip, blame, and hate success, keep them close. Because success is contagious, but so is laziness. Now, jokes aside, if any of this sounds familiar, it's not because you want to be poor. It's because most people are taught these habits without realizing it. But here's the twist. To stop being poor, you don't need luck or genius. You just need to unlearn these steps. Take responsibility. Learn something new every day. Spend smart. Move with people who push you higher. And watch how life slowly starts to change. The truth is, poverty isn't just about money. It's a mindset. And if you can fix the mindset, the money follows. So, my friend, are you still trying to be poor? Or are you finally ready to stop following the how to guide?